Keep your head in line. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's it.
Look at that.
Nice.
Oh, I should not watch my knees. Look at that quick.
Oh my goodness. Let's move it. Come on over. Do a leg press. Now we're going to do our Romanian deadlift. With our knees slightly bent.
Definitely high rises there. It's like crazy. My friend keeps having some pictures from there. Okay.
Head in line with spine. Push it back. Awesome. Are you serious? Oh, this is good though. You can do this. Should have went drinking last night, huh? Do you know what? You're here, 7 a.m. I'm impressed. Let's do it. Grab those dumbbells. Step it out long. Get that back leg straight. Step it way out, knee over ankle. Looking down at that front leg. We'll go to calves next, and we'll finish with abs.
You have a walker ring.
And 1, 2, 3. Keep your feet parallel, so heels out a little bit. There you go. Sitting up tall. Good. This. And 1. Good. Knees to chest. 2, 3, 4. There you go. 5, 6. Good job. Get fit done.